for personal growth. Sometimes, when a lot is going on in your life, your mind becomes cluttered. There is so much going on, you don't know what to focus on. You don't know how to work through it all. It all becomes a big confusion, and it's definitely very hard to deal with it all. If hearing that felt too close to home, and you think you relate to that, well, I have the solution to your problem. Journaling. Journaling is basically keeping a diary in which you write your thoughts and your feelings. It might sound stupid, but believe it or not, it actually helps. A lot. And today, I'll talk about how it helps and how you can use a simple journal for your personal growth. But before we get into journaling, take a moment to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more inspiring videos to help improve all aspects of your life. So, with that being said, let us get right into the video. There's a common misconception. People often think having a journal is like a diary. You know, something you just write your feelings into, or a book where you just write about your day. I mean, sure, you can use it for that, but that's not at all what journaling is all about. Journaling is completely up to you. You can write once a month or once an hour. You can write about your day, or you can write about your tasks, or your long-term goals, or any random thought that crosses your mind. You can use your journal for absolutely anything. It might not make sense, but writing your thoughts and feelings really helps. You might be wondering how it helps, right? Well, let's talk about that. First and foremost, it really helps you achieve your goals and set your targets. Let's say, for instance, you're trying to lose weight. Now, if you just decide to wake up one day and start exercising or start eating healthy, it's just a thought. Just a thought that can disappear. A thought that can easily be forgotten. So, to make sure it doesn't disappear, write it down. Even if you don't buy a whole new cute little diary for it, just write it wherever you want. You can even use the sticky notes on your laptop. You can literally start journaling anywhere. Writing what you want to do makes it real. It makes you remember your thoughts. It helps you direct yourself towards achieving the goal. Obviously, losing weight is a personal goal, but that's not all journaling helps with. It helps you achieve your career goals as well. It can help you plan what you want in your career, and it can help you progress further. We all have career aspirations. We all want something in life, but going on and getting it is hard. And trust me, writing your goals down really makes it easier to achieve them. At the heart of great leadership is a curious mind, heart, and spirit. This is a quote by the famous entrepreneur, Chip Conley. Being curious and being open to new ideas is the step to success. It helps you explore new ideas and new things about the world. Not just about the world, but about yourself too. And a great step towards having a curious mind is writing. Even if you just write down your thoughts, writing will give you an opportunity to look at them from a whole new perspective. And it will help you explore the thought. It will help you look at it in a whole new way. The more you explore the thoughts in your head, the more you'll start exploring the world. The more goals you'll have, and you'll grow more. Some people have a serious issue. They close themselves off to new ideas. If it isn't the same opinion and thought as theirs, they don't bother exploring it. They don't even bother listening. That's one of the unhealthiest personality traits. And if you think you do that, you need to change. You need to grow. You need to explore other opinions. You need to open up your mind to what others think. It'll help you learn new things, and the best way to do that is through journaling. Moving on, journaling isn't all about achieving new goals. Planning isn't all there is to success. Sometimes you also need to acknowledge everything you're achieved. So for that, you can use your journal to write about your achievements as well. Even if it's something as small as cleaning your room, you can write it down. Anything you feel good about can be written. Other people might not see it as a big achievement, but if you do, that's up to you, and you can appreciate yourself for it. In fact, you should appreciate yourself for even the smallest of achievements. For personal growth or for success, you need to stay motivated. And let's be honest, long-term motivation is hard. It's hard to keep it going. So, to keep yourself motivated, you need to start appreciating the smallest milestones. And writing them down can help you appreciate them. Writing about your progress actually helps you make more progress. But obviously, journaling isn't all about the positive aspects of your life. You need to be able to deal with the ugly parts of life too. So, with your progress, write about your failures too. And no, that doesn't mean you go read them and feel bad about them later. Use your failures to brainstorm ideas on how to improve them. Sure, you made a mistake, but answer this: which human being doesn't make mistakes? I mean, mistakes are what make us human. So, write about your mistakes as well, and look at them optimistically. Think of them as an area of improvement, not as a failure. Well, I'm sure it goes without saying. Journaling definitely will help you with personal growth. It will help you achieve your goals. It will help you make more progress. And most importantly, it will help you fix your mistakes. But people often find it difficult to start journaling. So here's a way to start. Take 5 minutes out of your day. Write down one thing you're grateful for. One thing you did well on. One thing you want to do well on. And one feeling you felt most of the day. You can also write if something special happened. You know, it's your journal and it's completely up to you. Whatever you think was an important part of the day deserves to be written down. At the start, you might think it's hard, but once it becomes a habit, you'll start seeing a huge improvement in your life. And you'll want to write every day. When that happens, trust me, you'll thank yourself that you started journaling. So start today. Even if you don't have a journal, write anywhere you want, and I promise you, it'll help greatly. On that note, let's end today's video. I hope the video helps you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like these, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time.